All right, hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is March 20th when I'm recording this, and we have the FOMC coming up this week. So Wednesday, FOMC, and I think a lot of people are going to just be holding their breath, waiting to see what happens for that announcement. Is he going to raise 25 basis points? Are they going to pause? What are they going to say about the banking system? What else is going to be in that language that they come out with? And then what about his Q&A session? So I think that this is going to be a very interesting week as far as probably not much on Monday and Tuesday, and then we'll have to see how Wednesday settles in with the FOMC. Right now, the market, like the SPY, got a fair amount oversold, from the whole banking situation. It did come down here, lower third ATR, all that kind of stuff. But I'm not really seeing too much else to do with this. It is kind of holding up today. We are seeing some divergence, but it's really not quite out of the woods yet. But then we can compare that to, say, the NASDAQ, where this idea of maybe lower rates is bumping them up a bit and seeing, can this thing keep going? There are a few names that were very extended, and now we're kind of seeing a bit of a pullback. And now we have to figure out, is this pullback going to sideways movement right here that we're seeing today and from Friday? Can this continue to be strong? Or is Wednesday going to derail that? It's hard to really say. Then it's very interesting. We can look at the Bitcoin and the crypto miners and all this. They are having a real field day with the whole banking crisis situation. So that's what's been going on there. I saw this setting up, last week or the week ago, and we were looking at an opportunity right there, and then we got out break even because it just wasn't working. And then everything rolled over with the whole financial thing. But then because it was the financial crisis, Bitcoin and crypto was like, oh, hey, this is our time to shine. And so this is when they jumped up and out. So I was noticing this sort of bull flag in through here. It did take one little dip and then shot up. I was unable to catch it in through here, and now it's at a place where I don't really want to go buying it right now. It's very extended. So as I kind of said with some of the other newsletters that I put out there, we're seeing strength in tech and some growth and things like crypto, but depending on how the market goes, if things are really going to roll over, then nothing could be spared. There is a chance that a lot of these things will roll over if the market gets weak. Maybe not, or we get the other thing to where actually they are able to stay strong. So it's going to be a very challenging week to see how things go and where they all shake out. And it's going to hinge on the FOMC. So we'll see you guys again later in the week after FOMC, and we'll see how that shapes up.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.